Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to help your videos appear in search results. Consider creating eye-catching thumbnails that will entice viewers to click on your videos. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Ask for feedback and encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. This will help you build a loyal audience and increase your channel's visibility. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche and consider running ads to reach a wider audience. Remember, becoming a successful YouTuber takes time and effort. Stay patient, stay consistent, and keep learning and improving your skills. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.